Was anybody else like me and got every single mystery box that Revel released? Well, this is the Fire and Ice mystery box, specifically the Fire one that came with 5 1-ounce colors. So I'm going to unbox and show you every single color with their swatches. This first one is called Solar Flare, and it is a gorgeous shimmery yellow. It is so stunning, and I normally do not like yellows, but the shimmer in it is so fluffy. If you have Wonderland by Revel, think Wonderland. Hotspot is a little different. It is a little bit of orange and yellow. It is more of a gold color. So if gold can be put into a dip powder, this one is definitely it. And when you swatch it, it feels like it has like a pigment that does really well with chroming. However, this color is not my cup of tea, but I'm sure it will be someone else's or something that would be a good subtle accent nail, not really to steal the show. Firestorm is one of my favorites in this mystery box. It has a orange base with these hair-like, tinsel-like iridescent glitters in them, so it's definitely not your traditional glitter that Revel releases. It is absolutely stunning, and I cannot wait to use this. En Fuego is another favorite of mine. I love anything that is red. It is a red berry-like glitter with gold shimmery glitter in it. It is absolutely stunning, and I can see this being one of my manis very, very soon. Burning Ember reminds me of charcoal. If you've ever seen charcoal while on a grill or something like that, it just reminds me of that, and the specks inside of it, the way it just shimmers is absolutely stunning. I'm not usually of a purple person, but the way this one hits the light, especially after you swatch it, just blows my mind. Here are all 5 colors that came in the Fire and Mystery box. I love them, especially the 3 on the right. They are my most favorite. Now we are going to move on to the Ice Mystery box. Just like the Fire, it has 5 1-ounce jars. Hailstorm has a light to medium blue base and light blue small glitters as the distraction and glitter center focal piece. I don't know how to talk about this other than literally think of the glitters being hail. I really like how they themed this box and how the colors really coordinate with the names. Polar Plunge is another glitter, just like every single color in this mystery box. Spoiler, they're all glitters. This one is a clearish white glitter. It reminds me really of opals, and you can think of it as crushed ice if you want. I really love it, and it's another one of my favorites in this box. Black ice is really deceiving in the jar, but when you see it opened up, it will wow you. It has a dark, charcoaly base with gorgeous, sparkly blue glitter, and when you move it really, really fast, you can see how well it shimmers when it hits the light. I love this one, and it probably has to be my top favorite out of all of the ones in the box, just because blue is my favorite color, and the way the blue glitters hit compared in contrast to the base is absolutely stunning. You can see how gorgeous the glitter is as I shift the jar in the background. Arctic Freeze is the one and only mood changer, meaning it changes from hot to cold to 2 different colors in this entire mystery box. I will say I'm disappointed that they didn't add more mood changers. I really do wish they had, but this one is stunning nonetheless. It is a very periwinkle blue with light blue glitters, but that is actually the cold color. The warm color is coming up soon. I've pulled out 2 shot glasses. The right has cold water and the left has warm water to show you the difference in color with this gorgeous mood changer. Sub-Zero is the last color in this mystery box, and it is not what you think it is. It is not just another gray. This gray, I don't know how they made silver into just a simple dip powder. So the fire box has a gold glitter and this one has a silver glitter, and I really do think this could possibly be chromed. I haven't tried it, so don't quote me on that, but the pigment sheen on top of the dip really leads me to believe it could be chromed. I really, really, really love this color. Here are the 5 colors that came in the Ice Mystery Box. This one has to be my favorite from the 2 total mystery boxes because it not only has a mood changer, but because blue is personally my favorite color. So here are all 10 colors. I want to know, tell me in the comments below, did you get the fire or the ice mystery box, or did you get both, or did you decide to skip on it because you just don't like mysteries? All right, that's all folks. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I didn't spoil it for you and that you guys love these type of swatching and review videos.